I'm Amjot Singh Gill. Are you watching The Bridge? My father used to play basketball. So when I got injured while playing cricket, so I used to go see him play basketball. So I used to rehab and watch him play. And then I thought that cricket was very boring. So I thought basketball was much interesting, and so I tend to like the game. The first challenge I ever got was when I went from India to play in Japan. That was the major challenge because I didn't know the language which Japanese used to say or anything, and there was no English also. They don't use much English to speak. So वो सबसे बड़ा challenge था मेरी life में because it was a drastic change. It was a blessing that the God gave me. All my struggle and everything, because of that only I got into basketball. My dream was to go into the NBA. My father's dream was to go into the NBA. So when I reached there, it was a dream come true. बोर हो रहा हूँ पाजी, चलो कुछ मस्ती करते हैं. बहुत होगी मस्ती. Back to the boring stuff now. I think that's a huge opportunity जो इंडिया को मिली है ओलंपिक्स में जाने के लिए. एक बार इंडिया क्वालिफाई किया है because of the world war, and उसके बाद में अब हमें opportunity मिली है. I think we have a huge chance of going to the Olympics. We'll get 2 chances even if we don't get selected in this Indian tournament. The Indian 3x3 qualifiers, we can go to Hungary and again go, top 6 countries who have never participated in the Olympics will get the chance to go to the Olympics. So we have 2 chances, so we can have get full advantage of this. I don't know if it will happen soon, because there are a lot of individual players who are doing good in basketball. If we go on doing the same, then I think it will help me a lot. But the federation and the players should be on the same page to do so. Best Indian player, I think Amritpal, because I have been playing with him from 2010. So Vishesh, Amritpal, these 2 are the best ones because we have won a lot of teams by playing with each other. Yeah, it was still whenever we talk about it, I still get goosebumps because it was a historic moment. I have never done a alley-oop in a international game before that. Yeah, I do believe that because I didn't get any opportunities when I was young because I started only when I was 16 or 17 playing basketball. If I was 16 and I was in US, so I think it would be huge help for me to go into the NBA and play the college and showcase my talent which I couldn't. I think that's a huge opportunity for the young players because when I was young, there was no opportunity like this. There was no coaches and all the NBA players who are coming to the NBA academy and giving their thoughts and stuff. I think that's a huge change in which will take place for the youth of the Indian basketball. Yes, I think जो मैंने प्रूव किया है कि आप कोई चीज़ हमें रोक नहीं सकती, चाहे आप जहाँ मर्जी से हैं. I didn't get any of the help from anyone. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So I think that will encourage them and to get their goals. नहीं, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. जैसे आप बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं, आपने पॉइंट गार्ड्स देखे होंगे, वो छोटी हाइट के भी होते हैं. ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट एक एडवांटेज मिल जाती है हाइट की, और तो कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आई थिंक आई विल जस्ट टेल देम बी योरसेल्फ एंड डू व्हाट यू लव, एंड लाइक यू नो don't suppress yourself because of some obstacles which will come in your way. जो आपको अच्छा लगे वो करें. For more basketball content, please follow The Bridge at social media.
And आपके फादर की भी हाइट आई थिंक 6'5", मॉम इज 6, तो आपके घर पे तो सोफा, बेड, गाड़ी सब बड़े होंगे, सभी कस्टमाइज्ड होंगे।
हाँ जी, सब